Hello students, this is Mrs. Hill and I'm here to discuss the OCHS database called KET Encyclomedia. To get to it, you go to the Oldham County High School webpage, then you click on Library, and then you click on Databases and Resources, and you notice all of our databases will pop up. The one we're specifically going to look at today is called KET Encyclomedia. When you click on here, the screen will pop up. You log in under Discovery Education, and your username is going to be 060 and then whatever your short username is. And then your password is what your librarian will give to you. Okay. When you log on, it's going to pull up the front screen of KET Encyclomedia. KET Encyclomedia is a good resource. All the facts have been checked. Most of it is in video form. And for example, if you want to if you're doing a paper on whales and you search whales, it's going to pop up with all the results, 320 results. You can narrow the results by looking on the left-hand side here. And let's say you're only interested in seeing specific types of media. For example, you're looking for a photo of a whale. Well, if you open up View, they have clip art, full videos about whales, images, and video segments. I'm going to click on images because I'm looking for an image of a whale. And it shows me 153 results. So I'm going to scroll down, see if I see one I like. And I like this one right here, so I'm going to click on it. Notice in KET Encyclomedia there is this little I details button, and when you click on it, it gives you the citation for whatever media that you're looking at. For this example, it's a photo of a whale, and it looks like it's while somebody was whale watching in Nova Scotia, and looks like a humpback whale from the picture. So if you were going to cite the source for your paper, you would copy and paste the MLA citation and then put it at the end of your report, okay? Because MLA is what we use here at Oldham County High School. So I'm going to close this. Now, if I really want to keep this picture, I can download it and use it in another paper, or I can share it, okay? And notice this is a Google Classroom site, so you can click on Google Classroom and you can share it to Classroom. Okay, so that's an option you have with this wonderful database. You can also copy the link and send it to someone, or you can share it with all these other type of medias. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to instead of an image, let's say I wanted to find something you could hear, like the sound that a whale could make. And then there's two audios. I'm going to look at sound effect. And it says it's the animal whale humpback underwater communication of a small group in the background. So I'm going to listen to that and see if I like it. Looks like a little player that pops up. Okay, I like that. Same way, you cite it. There's a citation. Use MLA. You would copy that and paste it at the end of your report if you're going to use this as a site. You also have the option to download and share just like before. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is close this. This is great for reports because all of the information here you're allowed to use in anything you do here at school. You have the rights to use it, and there's a wonderful feature that I want to show you. It's called the KET Encyclomedia Board Builder. I'm going to click on that. And let's say that I want to create a board. A board is nothing more than like an online poster. And you have different backgrounds you can choose from, or you can start with a blank one. Since I'm looking at whales, I'm going to click on the ocean board. And I'm going to type in the title, Whales. And you can put a description if you want. It's not necessary, so I'm going to hit continue. It automatically wants to stick it in my favorites. That's fine, or I can add a folder if I want to have a specific folder for it. So I'm going to hit save. Okay, it pulls up the board. Okay, I'm going to put a title here. My board is about whales, so I'm going to type in whales. Now you have the option to change all of the backgrounds, the colors, everything. That's over in this area. I'm just going to keep the defaults for now to make the video shorter. Okay. Now notice these blocks right here. This one says add a photo, video, or audio. You can actually search within KET Encyclomedia for the things that we did before. Let me show you how to do that. You hit search, type in whales. Okay. Remember we looked at viewing and we said we found an image we liked. Okay, and it was this one. If I click the add button and put add selected resources, it sticks it right on my online poster. Now, one thing that's very important, if you're going to use something from the site, you need to cite your source. So I'm going to click on my picture again, and I'm going to look at details, and I'm going to highlight the MLA citation. I'm going to close it, and then I'm going to click on my picture. Whoops, sorry. I'm going to hit the edit button, and there's a button that says caption. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to highlight that and paste the citation for that photo. Okay. Then over here on the right, they have like sticky notes. You can say, you can type any kind of text you want. To the left is a photo of a humpback whale off of the coast of Nova Scotia. And I don't think I spelled that right, but it does not have spell check. You have to, oh, it does have spell check. There we go. I thought it didn't. I'm corrected. So you can also change the background, the text, how you want to format it. You have all those options on this also. Now, this poster can go on forever. Here's the next one. This time I think I'm going to add the whale sound. So I hit whale again. This time I'm going to check on the left that I want to hear something that you listen to. We found a sound effect, and I've already listened to it. I like it, so I'm going to hit add selected resource. It puts the player right there, and I'm going to put text to the I'm going to say click on the play button to the right. Oops. To hear the sounds of a small group of humpback whales. Period. So that's an option you have. Now you also have the option of uploading your own files. There's 5 files that you can add per box. So if you hit the upload button, it'll show you the different formats of files that you can use. So if I click on permitted file types or just hover over it, you can put any type of Word document, you can put any type of Excel spreadsheet, PowerPoint, whatever you want to put in there. And you can also put video files if you want to. Now the only limit is it has a 100 megabyte limit. So you have to watch. You won't be able to put a whole video of you being in a play, but you'll be able to put a clip of you being in a play. So if you have any type of files, you can upload your own right there. Now, how do you add more of these boxes? On the left-hand side, you click on Add Items, and you pick what type of box you want to add. Let's say you want to add another media box. It puts it there. And you have the option of grabbing them at the top and dragging them to wherever you want them to be. Okay, so you want to put another media file instead of your own file. Okay, so Board Builder is a really wonderful tool. It's kind of like doing an online poster. It'd be great for many, many classes. And if you notice on the bottom right hand side, it saves it for you automatically all the time. So you don't have to worry about losing what you've done. And since you have your own username and password, this stays only attached to you until you share it with your teacher. Okay, so you can be working on it and wait and share it when you're totally done so that your teacher can give you a grade. So I hope you've enjoyed KET Encyclomedia, and It's a 10-minute video. Sorry it took so long.